Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a combination of mobile luxury and industrial power. A striking and useful exterior. Kenworth's recognizable chrome grille, angular LED headlamps, and aerodynamic hood dominate the look. Kenworth's reputation for strength and durability is reflected in the design. This motorhome can hold large loads and resist the roughest road conditions thanks to its Kenworth heavy-duty truck chassis. Even on uneven roads, a smooth ride is guaranteed with an adaptable air suspension. It has a big, automatically retractable electric awning, a large, insulated underbody cargo storage room, and a rear garage for small cars or motorcycles. Interior: an adjustable Kenworth pilot seat with heating and cooling is part of the ergonomically built driver's cabin. Important vehicle data is shown on a digital dashboard. Larger cars can use integrated GPS navigation, and parking and maneuvering are made easier by a 360-degree camera system. A single master bedroom or two bedrooms with bunk beds are among the possible layouts. Premium materials: superior materials predominate in the inside. Full-size appliances from top manufacturers, such as a dishwasher, huge refrigerator, convection oven, and induction cooktop, are installed in the kitchen. Technology and entertainment: outfitted with a top-notch surround sound system, 4,000 flat-screen TVs in the bedroom and living area, satellite internet access, and a touch-sensitive lighting and temperature control system. Among other devices, the vehicle's core is a powerful diesel engine, like the Cummins X15 or PACCAR MX-13. The RV can easily climb hills and tow a trailer or other vehicle if necessary thanks to its engine. As remarkable power and torque: automatic transmission. This big car is simple to drive because its heavy-duty automatic transmission, like an Allison or PACCAR. Braking system: safe and effective braking is ensured by sophisticated air disc brakes with ABS and traction control. Rooftop solar panels, high-capacity lithium-ion battery banks.